In this video, you will learn how to use the Bafang C080 display on your ECONO bike. To power on, press and hold the power button until the Bafang logo appears on the screen. Hold it again to power off. Use the plus button to increase the assist level. And the minus button to decrease it. To turn the lights on, hold the plus button for 3 seconds. Hold it again for 3 seconds to turn them off. To activate walk assist, press and hold the minus button until the cyclist icon appears. Keep holding the minus button for the entire duration of the walk assistance. A single tap on the power button cycles through useful riding information, like speed, distance, trip time, and battery level. To reset your daily trip distance, press and hold minus button for 3 seconds. Then confirm yes with the power button.